Okay, she's wired. Everything's reconnected. I did have to undo my auxiliary and put it under my frame rail. And fuse this back in. I don't know how I'm going to tell if it's on. Let's see, where's my remote? What did I do with the remote? What did I do with the remote? I gotta find it. Okay, there's the GPS. Oh, no, that's the camera. Gotta find the remote. Camera. Oh, here it is. Here's the remote. Okay, I think I'll be able to tell it's on when I get a light here. All right. Wait a minute. Is that already a light for my? It's hard to tell. Let's turn my accessory on and see if I get any lights right there. All right. So hold on. Hopefully things won't go poof. All right, ready? Here comes the accessory. Oh, we got a light. Oh, look. Oh. All right, we got lights. Record, Wi-Fi. That's a good sign. It's a very good sign. Now I'm gonna have to set it up with my phone, but I'm gonna have to decide where I'm gonna put all this stuff. But she works. I got a good accessory hot, which is right there. Everything's hooked up. Now I just have to place it. All right, that's a good sign. That's a great sign. Let me leave you with that shot right there. All right, more to come. Stay tuned.